Just wanted to show you guys what a brand new 1992 and a half Mustang LX convertible looks like. This car is practically brand new, even though it's 30 years old. The car is 30 years old, but it's brand new. The only thing, it's got the BF Goodwrench tires. I do believe in 92 it came with Michelin tires, but these tires still had the stickers on them. I just ridden it around a little bit with it. I think I put on about 15 miles on it, and they wore off. All original paint, 1992 original paint LX convertible, vibrant red. The car is like new. It's got the child anti-theft 5-speed standard for the young ones, or for a lot of even old ones. They don't know how to drive standard cars, so they can't steal them. Very rare, as you know, the Fox body cars are becoming very rare, especially an original one like this that has never been touched. It has all original paint everywhere on this car, original windows. It's got all the stickers, even the original lights. You can see the little Ford logo right there. It's got all the original VIN stickers everywhere. You know, you get those all over the doors and on the fenders and on the trunk and on everything. Just quick walk around, let you guys see what a 1992 all original. In 92, they also had, this was came with the 92 and a halves, the feature cars, this black piping. They all had the white interior with the red paint. It was only the second year for the airbag. Wasn't that long ago. 1990 was the first year they put in the airbag in the Mustangs. You had a couple 89 and a halves that were built in the later part of 89 that had them, but it was very, very rare. This was red. This is red. The spoiler was red. It had the white mags, like a pearl finish. Look, even these mags, they're like new. Look at the inside of them. Look at that. This car is like new. Look at those tailpipes. All original. Look at the number. There's even some kind of a number right there on the gas tank. Painted mirrors. 5-liter badge. That was a 225 horsepower, 300 foot-pounds of torque, which was a big thing back then. I'll show you a couple other little things about this car. Look at this, 1992. It was an ashtray. Look at that. This is what you call to light your cigarette. This was like a lighter. 1992. Here in the back, look right there. A little ashtray in the back. Look, you had a thing to put your cassettes. You could put your cassettes right there. Look at this other thing I found here. I'll show you guys. I found this oil change sticker in the car. I'll show you guys here. Look at this oil change sticker. Let me put it here so we can see it. Here, I'll put it on right here. This is where the car came from, Carignan Ford. This is close to Montreal. This place does not exist anymore. Look at the mileage. The 28th of April, 1994. 8,746 kilometers. I just thought I'd show that to you guys. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. One of the other things I noticed, see, even the back seat's really nice and clean. A lot of the time that speaker cover would change colors. You can see where that seatbelt's going in. It's supposed to be white and it's a little bit yellowing. Another thing that's really cool about this car, I'll show you underneath. I'll show you the drive shaft. If I can get it here. Let me see if I can get that. I don't know if you can see the markings right there on the drive shaft. See those markings? Transmission just like new. Car's never been out in the rain. Just a quick walk around for you guys to see. Enjoy the video. We'll be making some more if anything you guys want to see, talk about, want to know about. If some of you guys are restoring some of these cars and you need some markings or some special stuff just to know what's going on, just drop a comment. It'd be my pleasure to, if I can help you guys. All right, see you guys next one.